Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, and let me share with you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the biometrics and security. Now let's tap on the fingerprints. And here we've got the information that it is a quick and easy way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps, or for example authorize the purchases. So simply tap on continue, and as you can see we will have to add an additional screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. You can pick the pattern, pin or password. It is because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock it without the need to go through whole hard reset operation, which will actually wipe all the data. So let me pick for example the pattern, and now let me draw it, tap on continue, redraw it and confirm. And as you can see, right now we have to scan our fingerprint. We have to put our finger on the sensor, so it will be quite hard for me because of the glove on my hand. So let me use my other hand. Let me put my finger on it, on the sensor, and let me use my finger. Let me use my index. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every corner for better recognition. As you can see, you will receive the information that you have to change the position if you already scanned this one. Okay? And as you can see, it's quite easy. We just successfully added the fingerprint to this device, so of course you can add another if you want to. If not, just tap on done. Your device will ask you if you want to back up your pattern. I don't want to do that. And as you can see here, we've got all fingerprint settings. So this is the fingerprint we just added. After tapping on it, we can rename it or remove it if you want to. So let me rename it. Let's name it and tap on save. As you can see here, you can also add another fingerprint. So let's get back to renaming. It is very useful if you would like to use this option. So you can check added fingerprints, and if you will have plenty of fingerprints added, then after picking this option, you can scan the fingerprint, and then your device will tell you which fingerprint it is. So let me tap on done. Under it, you've got some options, and here you can decide for you what you want to use the fingerprint for. So you can use it for the fingerprint unlock or the fingerprint always on, so you will be able to wake and unlock your phone just by touching the side key without the need to press it. So of course it's up to you how you want to set it. I will leave it like this. So let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my index finger on it. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we just successfully added our fingerprint to it. Obviously, as I said, you will be able also to unlock it with the pattern, pin or password, whatever you set. So actually, this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.